But for now, this is my last bite. Busog na ako.
Ako nga parang gusto ko pa eh. One more. Ay, naku. Han,
so good.
We should have invited Gerald and Gina with us, ha? Sarap ng steak. This is the best steak I've ever tasted in my whole life. Thank you.
I agree with you. Medium rare, that's about it. Anything more than that, it's burnt.
Yeah.
All of this is for you. My sweet and lovely wife. Ulit-ulitin ko to. That's how much I love you.
Love you too.
Cheers. For you, always and forever.
Forever.
Oh, it's excellent.
Sarap.
It's excellent.
Sarap.
Oh, so good.
I'll just go to the restroom.
Napakasarap ko. Han, are you okay? Han, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay.
You sure?
Don't worry about me.
Waiter. Can I have a glass of water, please? Thank you. Ano nangyari? Ano naramdaman mo?
Medyo nahilo lang ako. I'm fine. I'll be okay. Pagod na.
Kailan ka ba magiging handa, ha? Nasabihin kina Robert at Gina tungkol sa sakit mo? Ano? Kapag lumala ng brain cancer mo? Look at these test results. Your glioblastoma is rapidly growing and spreading into nearby tissues.
You know me very well, Sarah. Ayoko bigyan ng mabigat na responsibility ang family ko.
Ayaw mo ng burden. Pero lalo ka lang mahihirapan. Hanggang kailan mo maitatago yung worsening headaches mo? Huh? Yung changes sa behavior mo. Your nausea and balance issues. Yung pagiging irritable mo. Ano? Hihintayin mo na lang na magka-seizure ka?
Ang alam ko, nasa ospital tayo, nasa klinik tayo. Wala tayo sa simbahan para sermonan mo ako.
Nakakapikong ka na. It's been 7 months since you were diagnosed with GBM. And I already told you to go under surgery, di ba? To remove as much of the tumor as possible. But you refused. Ayaw mo makinig. Minda, you have grade 4 brain cancer. Meaning, it's at the highest grade. And most aggressive. Not stage like other cancers. Your survival time is now down to less than 12 months. Gusto mo na bang mamatay?
Of course not. I want to live longer. But what can the treatment do? O sige, siguro, babagal yung growth ng tumor ko. But that's it. Currently, there's no cure for it. It often recurs. So pag sinabi ko ba, itong mga nangyayari sa akin, sa anak ko, kay Gina, kay Robert, gagaling ba ako? Ano sa tingin mo? Gagaling ba ako?
Hindi tayo titigil sa pagdarasal, ha? Your miracle could just be around the corner. Kaya wag na wag kang mawawala ng pag-asa. Minda, stay positive. Okay?